come up to court today in Sydney, come up from Melbourne last night to face the magistrate for not having a registration label on my truck. We worked long distance. I paid for this registration. The label went to my home address. Because I haven't been home, I could not get this label to put on the vehicle, yet they choose to fine me $650. The RMS pulled me up early one morning. They turned around, they inspected the vehicle, they could not find nothing wrong with my truck, they could not find nothing wrong with the load, they could find nothing wrong with my logbook. But no, they had to find something, they had to find the label. They let clients and everyone take advantage of us and push us to the limit, and that doesn't matter. No one wants to blink an eyelid.